Let's talk about Clove. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm your beautiful host, Young Buffett, and in today's video, we're going to do what we always do. So I'm not going to waste your time. We're just going to jump right into it. You should also just jump right into Finery. It's a free trading group where we just talk about stocks all day long and then make fun of the robbery that happened on Fun and DWalk today. So I hope you're okay if you were invested in any of those. But we'll move on to Ape Wisdom. Ape Wisdom covers Wall Street Bets, Wall Street Bets New, Wall Street Bets Elite, stock market, investing, SPACs, options, day trading, and short squeeze subreddits. It tracks the most talked about stocks on the stock market on Reddit. So, number one was Tesla. They had a killer 2 days. So, congratulations to all of the Tesla holders. You guys are doing fantastic. Good job. Then we got Prague, DWalk, we just saw got wrecked. SPY, Facebook, AMD, Ocugen, BKKT, GME, Hood, NVIDIA. Oh, Hood got destroyed today. NVIDIA, Smile Direct Club, AMC, Microsoft, AGC, Genus, Excella, Mark, Fun, ATER, DKNG, PLTR, Apple, Snap, PT, PayPal, VTI, QQQ, BBIG, Lemon, VOO. Where's Clove? And we keep scrolling and we keep scrolling and we keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Did we miss it? CLOV, number 36. We were almost there. So 55 mentions. It's dropping on the list. It's slowing down a little bit. Overall, public sentiment is crazy positive. I don't think I've ever seen it that high. Nearby words include ban, bet before, dip, goes, like, up, created by, both, cut, daily, squeeze, wish, and every. So in general, people are talking about it. They're excited about it. Nothing's really happening. It's not even on this Wall Street Bets list anymore. Comment volume is dropping drastically. Most likely because the stock price isn't really doing anything and it's kind of just waiting for earnings. I am not opposed to that. I'm actually okay with comment volume low, overall positive public sentiment, just chilling. Let's just chill a little bit. Let's sit back. Let's get some paychecks. Let's buy some more Clove shares and get ready for earnings. That's essentially the mentality that I'm taking going into it right now. The max pain is still 7.5. If you don't already know, max pain is the strike price that the stock needs to be at to cause the maximum amount of pain to the people who bought calls and puts. I have a full video that talks about that if you're interested in learning more. I'll put a link somewhere around here. But max pain is 7.5. And the stock price is just below that. We've been observing this for quite a while now. And the max pain and the stock price are just so close to each other. They just keep weaving back and forth and closing either right below, right above, or right on it. So let's see what happens this week. I'm very curious to see what the rest of the week will bring to the stock because honestly, not much is probably going to happen. And if not much happens, it's just going to continue to trade as it trades and close at or just below or just above that max pain. Dark pool data is getting kind of interesting here. It was positive, now it's negative. And when it's negative, that's actually positive because when it's negative, that means there's more shorts piling in. So net short volume is negative 268,000. Net short volume is negative 2 million. And that means people are starting to short and short and short. We can take a look at the short interest data, maybe in another video or something. I said I'd get Ortex again, but I still don't trust that data. I just don't know what to get out of it, really. The short interest is going up. The days to cover are probably going up. So it's creating like a little ticking time bomb. So we'll see what happens here. But jumping into the daily chart, if it loads, okay, so jumping into today, 1 minute. And as you can see, this teal line is the previous close line. That's where we closed yesterday. Clove opened up, did its little dancey dance, worked its way right up to 765, only to work its way right back down to that previous close line, only to consolidate a little bit and then drop. It dropped right back down, working its way right back up, and then it bounced right back off of that previous clothesline, working its way right back down, and then kind of consolidated even more, working its way down, working its way down, working its way down, working its way down. No, it went back up, and then it went back down, and then it went back up, and then it went back down, and then it closed, and it's seeing more lows in the after hours of 736. Just below the max pain. The options aren't doing anything too exciting. I'm happy to see that not the comment volume. I've been saying comment volume so much. The options volume is slowing down a little bit. I'm excited to see it's only 4,000 contracts being sold at a crazy price for the 7.5s instead of 10,000. So that's good at least. Never forget these numbers though. But I guess if Clove pops up a little bit, you can probably just quickly double your $12 or whatever. I'd rather just sit back and wait and see what happens. We're still holding our shares. We are looking for calls to sell. So if Clove has a nice, decent green day, we might look at selling something just above the max pain. That seems to be working for the past 2 days. That's pretty much it. It's not doing much. We are waiting for the earnings that are coming up on the 8th. So if we jump out, zoom out, look in, Clove last earnings did something similar where it kind of consolidated a bit and bounced around that $8 mark back and forth and back and forth. And days before the earnings, we saw a nice little strong green candle, only to be met by a slightly higher candle, but still red. Getting some volume, getting picked up here, a little bit more activity, and then it got its earnings, and then it shot up, and then it got heavily shorted and worked its way right back down. So if history repeats itself, which sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, we seem to be in a similar holding pattern here where it goes up, it goes down. It's probably going to consolidate a little bit. You might see another green day right before earnings, and then on earnings, it'll either do really well or do really bad. I'm not going to pretend like I have a crystal ball and tell you either way, but all you can really do is hold and see what happens. Again, my daily reminder, be careful with options. Go safe, go small, keep it fun. Just don't go crazy. If you have any questions, if you want me to look at anything specific in the next videos, please let me know in the comments below. With that, I love you. I'll catch you in the next video.